how to win tournaments in Monopoly Go. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can win tournaments in Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, winning tournaments in Monopoly Go requires managing dice multipliers, timing your rolls around target tiles, and synchronizing your gameplay with flash events. Success depends on saving your dice for the right moments rather than rolling constantly. So you need to use low multipliers normally. You need to roll at 1x, 3x or 5x when you are far away from the target tiles to conserve your dice. And you must increase your multiplier when you are 6 to 8 spaces away from a railroad or event tile. Do not leave high multipliers on auto roll as it drains your reserves instantly on bad rolls. And this way you can win tournaments in Monopoly Go. I hope that this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.